Aloha guys, Chef Ippy here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe out of my new cookbook, the Easy Hawaiian Cookbook by Chef Ippy Aiona. This recipe that I'm going to be doing is going to be the poke bowl. Okay, poke bowl recipe. It's actually, you can see right here on the front, it's what we feature on the cover because this recipe is #1 and is so delicious, so tasty, super easy to make, and yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. Real quick, I'm standing here in the Dizzy Pita. This is our new restaurant. We're going to be opening in a few weeks. It's going to be Greek gyros, falafels, salads, things like that. So, without further ado, let's get into this ahi poke recipe. Okay, first thing I always do when I'm making poke is I salt my ahi. Here I have just some nice fresh ahi blocks. I generously, let me give it a little mix. Sorry, there we go. I generously salt it, and after I throw the salt on it, I put it into a colander or strainer or something because we're gonna get moisture is gonna start coming out of this. The salt's gonna actually pull some of that moisture out, and it's also gonna season it. To me, it gives it almost like it takes away a little bit of that iron-like flavor, I guess, if you will. But yeah, we'll just put that aside, let that sit for like 5 minutes. You'll start seeing the water come out of it. While that's going, we're gonna make our sauce, okay? So we just need 2 garlic cloves. One of my little tricks: take the knife, don't use the sharp part, use the back part. Be careful, don't cut yourself, and mince your garlic, okay? This actually kind of smashes it, minces it, lets the oils, presses the oils out, does everything for you. So you just do a nice little quick pass. And so chop, chop, chop. 2 garlic cloves, or 1, just depends how much garlic you like. You know, chop it up nice and fine. Then we're gonna only use a teaspoon of ginger, but we're gonna peel it. I was using a plastic spoon. Hey, things happen. We have to improvise, okay? So using the plastic spoon, I'm just using the edge of it. And this is how I love to peel my ginger, guys. The reason I do this with the spoon is I can really get into the cracks with this spoon. I can get around the corners, just like this, okay? Easy, easy, easy. And we only need about a teaspoon. So I'm gonna mince this up. Like I said, just 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. You could grate it too if you want. You don't have to, you just peel it and you can grate it. That's easier. Call it 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay? Now we're going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are going to do 1 teaspoon or less, depending on how much you like sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm putting the whole teaspoon in, like I call for in the recipe. And then I also say 2 scallions too, so I'm just gonna go like that and take these 2. Green parts only, cut diagonally. You don't have to use the whole thing. These are pretty big. You know, at home, obviously, you have those smaller ones, but here we go. Just cut a little bit on the bites. This is gonna give it a nice, fresh flavor. And we're going to use our broken spoon. Oh no! Sorry, when did I do that? Let me check. Alright, well, the show must go on. We're going to take what we just did, we're going to mix it just like that. Okay? Taste. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our ahi that we just salted right into here. All right, now we're gonna take our ahi that's been soaking a little bit. This is about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. You don't wanna overdo it with the sauce and really get crazy. You know, you wanna let the fish also come through. Give it a nice little mix. Me personally, I love furikake. This is just you can find this in your Asian grocery stores. Just toasted sesame seeds and toasted toasted nori or seaweed called furikake. I love this stuff. Just like that, guys. Toss it together, and you have this delicious, amazing, easy poke. And just as an extra little bonus for you guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this spicy aioli that I love to drizzle on top of it. This is about 1.5 cups, maybe a cup of mayo, and I eyeball this. I don't really measure, but I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons worth of sriracha, and just a drip of mirin to sweeten it. If you don't have the mirin, don't even worry, just put the sriracha, it'll still taste delicious, guys. And then I usually use, a whisk for this, just to get all that mayo mixed nicely together. Okay. And there you go. That's the spicy aioli. We're gonna put that into here. That's what I have in here. And we will plate up our poke. And some unagi. You can get this in your grocery store.
Asian market. I will try to save my next ahi head and maybe do this next week. I'll do this as a demo. A little bit more of that furikake. Look at that, really.
Adjust here. Hey guys. All right. Woo-wee. I don't have chopsticks, but yeah, I'll do. There you have it, guys. Easy poke recipe from this book, Easy Hawaiian Cookbook. I'm Chef Ippy. I'll put the recipe in the description or in whatever platform this is in the bottom. Aloha, guys. Thank you so much, so much. You guys have a good day. Aloha.